How to center text in Google Docs both vertically and horizontally. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how to easily do that. So let's just open up our Google Docs first, and then I'm going to create a new blank document. What you usually do is, if you want to align it vertically, there is no option, but if you just want to align it horizontally in the middle, you could do that. So let's just add a text called subscribe. You could add your text. I'm going to make it bold, and let's just increase its size a bit. Once you've done that, in order to bring it to the middle, you usually go to the alignment and then bring it to the center. But in order to bring it vertically down the middle on this part, you don't have any option on Google Docs. So what you're going to have to do instead is go ahead and insert a table. So let's just remove the text for now. I'm going to go to insert and then go to table. Let's insert a 1 by 1 table. Now we're going to write our text here. Once you have written your text, select it and then bring it to the middle. All you have to do is drag this table all the way to the bottom so that it stays on this page, but not really create another page like this. So let's just go back again. So you just want to drag it so that it doesn't go to another page. Something like this. I reckon you could just bring it down a little bit more. All right, so all you have to do is make sure that the top and the bottom has equal spacing. I can even drag this a bit upwards, like so. Now just make sure that it has the same space. Once you've done that, just center align this first. And then the next step is to go to table properties. So right click on the table and then go to table options. Once your table options is open, go ahead and choose the cell tab. Now the cell vertical alignment is on top right now. Bring it to the middle. So the vertical alignment is also there. So now we want to hide the table because we want the text to be on the center of the page. So let's just go to color and change the table border to 0 points. And now you've successfully moved your text from uh, in the middle from both vertically as well as horizontally. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. I'll catch you on the next one.